Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into fixing common household appliances. Today, we're tackling the E1 error on your Kenmore dryer from 2025. If you've noticed this code flashing on your dryer's display, it usually signals a problem with the temperature sensor or the ventilation system. Don't worry. Most of these issues are straightforward to diagnose and fix at home. First off, safety is key. Start by unplugging your dryer from the wall outlet to avoid any electrical mishaps. This gives you a safe window to inspect things. The E1 error often stems from a clogged vent or a faulty sensor, which can cause overheating or poor airflow. According to Kenmore's troubleshooting guide, about 70% of these errors are due to lint buildup in the exhaust vent. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Check the exhaust vent. Grab a flashlight and a vacuum with a hose attachment. Remove the vent cover and clear out any lint or debris. Make sure the vent hose isn't kinked or blocked. Aim for at least 4 inches of clearance around it. If that's clear, move to step 2. Inspect the temperature sensor. This is usually located near the heating element inside the dryer. You'll need a multimeter for this. Set it to the ohms setting and test for continuity. If it reads infinite resistance, the sensor might be bad and needs replacement. Once you've checked those, plug the dryer back in and run a test cycle. If the E1 error persists, try resetting the machine by holding the power button for 10 seconds or checking your user manual for a specific reset procedure. Remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical components, it's always best to call a professional technician. To prevent this error in the future, make it a habit to clean your dryer vent every 6 months and avoid overloading the drum. That'll keep your dryer running efficiently and extend its lifespan. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance fixes. See you next time.